Meaning of GPRS.
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 GPRS. GPRS stands for General Packet Radio Service, a wireless communication technology used for transmitting data through cellular networks. GPRS enables devices such as mobile phones, tablets and laptops to transmit and receive data at a faster speed than traditional circuit-switched systems. It uses packet switching to break data into small units before transmission, which improves speed and efficiency. With GPRS, users can access the internet, send and receive emails, and exchange multimedia messages. GPRS has been superseded by newer technologies such as 3G, 4G and 5G, but it played a vital role in the evolution of mobile communications.